Silvia. It's all about my life. So I...
Oh, Silvia, what are you filming?
Oh, you facial me? No, everyone, I have a live broadcast.
Sorry.
So, let's start. A different action takes place in the world, and I will introduce you to four main characters. Starring is my mom. Mom! And this is my dad. He's a taxi driver. Well, this is my brother. His name is Aaron. And here's my dear brother Ruslan. And oh, this is my best family. What is happening to me? Are you sure you can go to school? Everything is fine with me. Just think I just a couple of times. Huh? Sorry to bother you, but where does such a low this come from? My sister has a cold. Nothing like this. What's happening to me again? So class, we will have all of the studio materials. Silvia, please come up and solve the exhibit. Oh no, not again! Silvia Blackmon, until I give you a bad mark, go to the Pierce A coat and take your heels. Okay, I'll go with snow.
So, what are you really worried about?
There's only one thing that worries me. Strong sneeze that never stops.
So the whole problem is from the common cold?
It's not ordinary at all. It must be the way you everything it is bad.
Don't worry, now we will remove the sneeze. Super syringe. Just one time. It's okay, everything will be fine. Trust me.
I hope she didn't unleash her ghastly rage. Well, the doctor didn't help us. Besides, obviously because she doesn't know about our problems and...
Please, tell me it didn't happen.
Don't panic, and one that will miss the lessons and lock it in the past.
They won't hear us through the door. So let's try to find another way. Come on, little sister. To get out of here, we need a secret weapon that I always have with me. Face there. All you need to do is sneeze with all your might. Well, no. I don't participate in such norms.
Seems to have gone
No,
real.
I was acting most radical on this, but I will argue as long as we get out of here and find a cure. Do you want me to give you medical drugs without your parents' permission? Yes.
Yes,
No.
please.
If you read about the Blackburn Constitution, look now that children under 16 are not allowed to buy drugs. Well, but I am a doctor. We're running as a medicine. Let me think. No!
And now, Editor Roberto, I have the whole cure.
Let's get out of here.
on, Remy. Think, use your brains.
I figured it out. So my sister, my plan is this. I'll take advantage of myself with a shrink beam. Then I'll get through the nose, and I will immobilize all viruses. It's kind of a good idea. When my arena is a passament, and I sit in a broken electric chair. It's for antiques. You don't understand that someone to evidentially dirty experiments. It happened 150 years ago when our scientific great-grandfather was actually with a chair. Anyway, we don't think so. Then, let's... Alias, I read about it somewhere. Hey, Alias, I bet you don't know what comes after N. With the resignation. My sister, I'm glad it ended well. Is everything okay? Everything is fine with me. My virus is squared. But still I think, where did the virus come from my nose? In that case, no one knows it. Looks like a plan worked, haha. And for the next stage, we'll change the city of Blackmore, and I can rule the whole world.